Welcome to Rave and Rant, where we praise the praiseworthy and roast the rest. Each episode, we dive into reviews and tips on businesses, health, products, and services that matter to you. Now, let's meet our dynamic hosts. Julian, a seasoned entrepreneur and tech enthusiast who keeps you ahead of the curve. And Olivia, our health and wellness expert with unfiltered takes on the latest trends. Together, they'll help you navigate what's worth your time and what's not. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an episode packed with honest opinions and valuable insights. This is Rave and Rant.
This is the brief on growing loofah in containers. So we're looking at a guide that confirms something pretty cool. You can actually grow loofah, the vine that gives us natural loofah sponges, even in an apartment. But, and this is the catch, growing this tropical vine successfully requires some really precise management. First, and this is absolutely crucial, you can't use a container that's too small. Loofah has a huge root system, so you need a minimum of 15 to 20 gallons to get any fruit at all. Fabric grow bags or those big half-barrel planters are definitely the way to go, because they give the root space and have great drainage. Second, get ready for some intensive daily care. This plant is thirsty. It needs at least 6 hours of direct sun, which means you'll probably be watering it daily, maybe even twice a day in the summer heat. You'll also need a weekly liquid feeding, but here's the trick. Start with high nitrogen for leafy growth, then switch to a low nitrogen bloom formula once you see flowers. Finally, you have to plan for its structure and, well, its reproduction. This vine is a monster. It can hit 30 feet, and a mature plant with gourds can weigh over 30 pounds. So you have to install a super sturdy trellis before you even plant. And if you're on a balcony with no bees, you're the bee. You'll need to hand-pollinate the flowers every morning to get your 3 to 6 sponges. Manage these few critical factors, and you'll trade a little extra effort for a rewarding harvest of your own natural loofah sponges.
That's a wrap for this episode of Rave and Rant. We hope you found our insights helpful and thought-provoking. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. If you enjoyed the show, please leave us a rating and review. It really helps us reach more listeners like you. Have a topic you'd like us to cover or something you want us to rave or rant about? Connect with us on social media or visit our website to share your suggestions. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring what's worth your time and what's not. This is Rave and Rant, where we praise the praiseworthy and roast the rest.